Welcome back, guys. This is Leland here doing another TA of the graph, the GRT. We are having a bit of a breakout, a little melodramatic in my opinion, but nevertheless still a breakout. We had resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and we are inching our way out of this right now. This is a 1 hour time frame, so we did talk in our talk about in our video yesterday how we were on the RSI and we had noticed that we had come down and hit this 30 level, and every time we had hit the 30 level in the past, we had this huge jump. But we're having this shift in momentum, which to me I think is more valuable, right? Instead of having these massive pumps that are going to the upside, we are having this shift of momentum. We've kind of actually, excuse me, let's grab the tool right here. So when we first opened up with the GRT, we came up like a cannon, boom, super hard. And I want you guys to imagine this as if it were kind of like a bouncy ball, getting thrown up into the air. And we came down and we hit, and we bounced, big bounce, came down, hit, a little smaller of a bounce, and then hit. But right here is when something new happened. We broke this long trend right down here, right guys? And we broke out of it. And then ever since then, we've kind of been in this consolidation pattern, but also GRT is finding where it needs to be kind of balanced out at, right? This asset is what are we, 11 days in, maybe a little over 11 days in. And what we're noticing now is this shift in momentum. We are starting to curve, as you can see right there, instead of just coming in this downward matter. So the trends are definitely taking shape and are changing here. I believe going long in these positions over here, let's say, let me grab this tool. Somewhere along here, I believe is going to be somewhat of a bottom, at least for the next few weeks. I do anticipate this momentum going to be shifting up, and we're going to go ahead and start hitting these resistance. And the reason why I say that is because if you guys notice, we do have this bullish divergence that's happening on the MACD, and this is happening even back to when we were falling, right? We're coming up different. While price was going down, our MACD was going up, and to me that's very interesting. We were even still falling all the way back to this point, and that's where that shift changed. There was a big difference, right? We right here on this histogram, we shift majorly. That our 12-day and our 26-day moving averages finally went up above the zero on the histogram, and this is where the momentum shift. And then as you can see, we're starting to round out. Same thing down here, we're starting to round out. So I believe accumulating at these areas would be smart, in my opinion. Can we see some further downside? Absolutely. Here's another thing that I believe. If we drop below this 30, or actually, you know what? I haven't drawn that line yet, but I don't want to get bearish on you guys, but I do want to mention, if we drop below this 32 line, this 31 to almost 32 cents, anyways, really close, I'm going to want nothing to do with GRT in the short term. It's, like I said, it's still in price discovery mode. We're not really sure where it's going to go at this point. I do want to go ahead and draw you guys a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high, and as you can see, we've gained our bearings, right? We went down and we were like, you know what? No, that's too low. That's too low for GRT. We need to get back up. And we went back up and we hit resistance, and we came back down, came out a little bit, and we were like, nope, we need to come back up. And we've hit that resistance again, resistance here, resistance back here. and we're in this channel right now as we are gaining momentum. To me, this is a shift within the coin, and I do think we can start seeing some more gains as this slowly, even if it's a slow crawl, will go up top. I'm not really sure if we're going to be getting these huge dramatic jumps up like we were when it was first coming out. I think it's starting to mature just a little bit more in each day, and it's going to be a little less volatile, and this is going to gain the trust of the public, and we're going to see a lot more accumulation in these areas. Let's go ahead and look at the stochastic on the 1 hour. Not really much going down here. When we got this cross down here, we got this cross, and that was really the time to buy, right? Our price has moved up since that bottom about 7%. So anyways, personally, I think it's looking really good. I don't know what I just clicked on there. It was an accident. But just wanted to update you guys. We are breaking out of this resistance line right here, and momentum is shifting. We're starting to see the end of the tunnel, and I believe that we will come up and start testing this 40-cent area over here. Once we get above that 40-cent area, I believe we will bounce around in here for a little bit before we even try to go up and touch that 60-cent area. End result, guys, we are looking for, if we pull another Fibonacci from the 618 to the 786, excuse me, I'm sorry, we need to go from the swing high to a swing low to find that top resistance. We're still looking over here, guys, for that 60-cent GRT. Once we are looking at that 60-cent, we'll be bouncing around just like how we bounced around in this Fibonacci retracement. We'll be bouncing around in that one once we break that 60. And I don't believe we'll be in here very long, because once we have broken that 60, I do believe we're going to be going to $1 very soon. This breakout target of this triangle, go ahead and by the way, guys, if you are liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe. I like to post daily videos about the GRT and update you guys on the feel and what's going on with the data in GRT. So please, by all means, subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications for I do put out daily videos. But anyways, going back to our breakout points, if we take our breakout point of this triangle, if this is true, if we get this breakout and we come out and we test and we bounce back up and we get up to at least this 40 level over here, I think it's safe to say that we can take this breakout target of this triangle over here, and that'll be putting us at an 85-cent GRT. 85 cents. Well, what kind of move is that? What kind of gains could we expect to see at that point? Whew, 124%. That is money all day. That's huge. I would love to make that percent. Like I said, I did take a position down here once I started seeing this momentum shift. I did add to my position. So we'll wait and see what happens. But guys, just remember, if we fall below this 31 line, this is not financial advice, but personally, I want nothing to do with GRT. If we fall below that, we're still in price discovery mode. It's very scary. You know, every coin is going to be a risk. So just wanted to give you guys an update. Thank you for coming to watch the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I really appreciate you guys very much. Daily videos to continue to be coming out. Thank you.